everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Hilton employee account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to log into your Hilton employee account, then here's how you can do it. Open up a web browser of your choice and in the web address bar type in the URL lobby.hilton.com and press enter. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the lobby page for Hilton. Go ahead and enter your user ID associated with your employee account in the first text box that you see. If you are a new user for Hilton, click on the new users link and follow through the on-screen prompts. After filling in your user ID, click the enter button and then enter your password on the next field. If you don't remember your password, you can get help by clicking on Forgot Password link and follow through the on-screen prompts till the end to reset your password. After filling in your password, click enter again and you'll be able to log into your Hilton employee account right away. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.